Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In today's tutorial, you will learn about security templates and how they relate to logon management. First, let's look at a user. Here we are on the user page. As you can see, there are a lot of security options on this page. All checked boxes are privileges the user already has. Boxes that are unchecked are privileges the user does not have access to. If we look up here, we can see the user type, which in this case is a business partner rep. If you have one or more user in one or more categories, you're probably going to want to use some of those security settings. What this allows you to do is set up privileges for each type of user. For example, your business partner rep is probably not going to have the same type of security privileges as your administrator, your global user, or even an organization. There are two ways to do this. You can either go through each login and update their privileges individually, or you can use security templates. Security templates are account options that are customized for different levels of users, which is what you will learn how to use. So let's get started. Go to Admin menu and click on Security Levels. The security level is for my business partner rep. As you can see, this page is very similar to the one we just saw. If we want to update any of these user security privileges, all we have to do is uncheck or check these boxes. Say we want to give our business partners access to the My Custom View page. All we need to do is check this box, then click Submit. Apply to all users with this template. Yes. Now all of these users will be instantly updated. If you want to know what template a user has, you can go back onto the Logon Management page or click on Logon List right here. Let's go back to our Privileges section. And if you look at User Privileges, the template is listed at the bottom of the User Information section. If you want to change the template, set your security level right here. This concludes the tutorial on security templates. Thanks for watching.